Alright, once again we deliver the best of the best 2014 Chevy Express high top handicap wheelchair conversion with 5,100 original miles. Yes, 5,100 original miles. Black, tan leather, clean Carfax. This van is brand new inside and out. Yes, you heard that right, 5,100 original miles. Beautiful tan leather, black, high top, 8-door package. Last year you could get 8 doors, 5.3 liter V8. This is about the best of the best van you could get. Look at this thing. I mean, it's gorgeous. Braun ability, 750 pounds, side entry wheelchair lift. That is a 2016 wheelchair lift also, and it only has 50 uses on it. So it's basically a brand new lift and basically a brand new van. We specialize in these handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans. Been in business 47 years. Boca Raton, Florida. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors USA. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com. SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Gorgeous black high top 8-door conversion. Braun ability, 750 pound lift. I'll show you how everything works on this van. It is in brand new condition. Look at this thing. Immaculate. TV, rear entertainment, navigation, backup, rear power folding bed with the optional bed extender. So this goes all the way flat. The headrests are here as well. It also does have your wheelchair tie downs. They do come with the van. They are in the tool bag for the jack. Again, this is a 2016 Braun ability 2-post lift. We are a Braun ability dealer. We do sell new and used. If you need any extra equipment, hand controls, transfer seat, electric doors, we can have that done for you at an extra cost. But we are very proud of this one. Look at this thing. It's like brand new, non-smoker, no rust whatsoever. Again, clean Carfax. It's got all your window shades. There's a power bed, of course. Inside that pouch you have all your wheelchair tie downs. They are manual tie downs. We can get you Q-straight retractors if you would like. Happy to help. And this van is immaculate. Hardly a mark anywhere on it. Extraordinary. Got tow package, rear backup sensors, brand new tires. Brand new tires. We put the tires on because the tires were old. So these are brand new tires, laser straight down the sides. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, we can ship anywhere in the world. You can buy this thing, have it shipped right to your doorstep. All of our vans have warranties available. This thing is amazing. Show you how everything works. Full power, 5.3 liter. All the wood grain is in immaculate shape. The emergency brake is on for the wheelchair lift safety. 5,125 miles. Not another one like it anywhere, that's for sure. Does have an intermotive system. Got your switches here for the TV, power, bed. Just a nice conversion. All the wood is immaculate. OnStar equipped. Big screen. I mean, this thing is insane. Look at that. Beautiful lighting. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken if you have any questions or concerns. Happy to help at any time. I don't know if you can see, but there is no rust in there whatsoever. You can see the frame. Perfect. Don't get much better than that. Again, feel free. Give us a call, send us a text. We'd love to help you with this one. There's not another one like it. Jeff or Ken at 954-561-2499. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We are a Braun Ability dealer here in Boca Raton, Florida. We are the best at what we do. We have the best techs in the United States, and we service and go through every single van we get, new and used. So don't hesitate to give us a call. If you need any adaptive controls, any extra locks, Q locks, easy locks, hand controls, we do it all. Thank you. 954-561-2499. This is a wired pendant lift. You won't find another one this clean anywhere in the world. No way. I think it's brand new. 954-561-2499. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Clean Carfax, non-smoker. 5,100 miles. Thank you.